Page 34.
Lalu and Peelu. Listen and enjoy this story.
There was a hen. She had 2 chicks, Lalu and Peelu.
Lalu was red. He loved red things. Peelu was yellow. He loved yellow things.
One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up.
Oh no! It was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed.
Mother hen came running. Peelu came too. Peelu said, "I'll get something for you." Peelu brought a yellow laddu.
Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother Hen and Lalu kissed Peelu. A story by Vinita Krishna.
Page 35. New words.
Chicks,
Hen,
hot,
plant.
yellow.
Let's read.
I love plants.
The chicks ran to their mother. Page 36.
Reading is fun. Name the chicks in the story.
Who liked yellow things?
What did Lalu eat one day?
Let's talk.
Peelu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. What are the other things Peelu could have brought that are both yellow and sweet? Name at least 2. Say, for example, a mango.
Let's share.
Lalu loves red things. Peelu loves yellow things. The color red is called lal in Hindi and yellow is called peela. What do you call these colors in your language?
Give names to these chicks using the names of some other colors in your language, like
Lalu is red and yellow chick is Peelu.
what would you name the blue chick?
And what would you name the black chick?
Page 37.
Let's write.
Match the chicks to the eggs they have hatched from. One has been done for you. Trace the letters on the eggs. A, E, I, O, U.
Here in the picture, you can see 5 chicks with 5 letters on them. A, E, I, O, U. And then there are 5 cracked eggs. And on these shells, there are some dotted lines, and you have to connect them to write the letters and match them with the right chicks.
Let's draw.
Trace and color these flowers.
Here are some dotted lines given to complete the red rose.
Blue bells.
Connect the dots to complete the blue bells. Now, here is a picture given of yellow sunflower. Connect the dots to complete the picture.
Riddle time.
Red plus yellow is orange. Red plus blue is purple. Blue plus yellow is green. Add white to make them light. Page 38.
Mother Hen and the chicks. Let's act.
Come to me, chicks. I want you here.
What do you want, Mother?
Look at me. Do what I do. Down and up and down.
Mother, I can do what you do. Look at me. Down and up and down.
Look at me, chicks.
Yay!
Do what I do. Up, down. Oh!
Oh, little Percy, Percy! Adapted from E. H. Gresham.
Act out this story with the class.
40. Poem One Little Kitten. Story Lalu and Peelu. Teacher's Pages, Unit 3.
While working with the children, provide them with activities that are interesting and challenging. Give opportunities for fun to the children and encourage early writing attempts. Help them to develop the skill to identify and discriminate objects, pictures, colors, shapes, etc. Develop listening skills. Recite the poem to the children using appropriate actions and gestures. Read the story with emphasis on new words and make sentences with reference to the story. Develop pronunciation. Read the text and say aloud with the children. 8. Date. Gate. Boy. Joy. Toy. Burn. Turn. Bees. Fleas. Exposure to language. Use sight words in the classroom such as visuals and cue cards. Let the children read these. A, E, I, O, U.
Develop speaking skills. The little play on chicks can introduce vocabulary in an interesting conversational way. 1. Have a talk on eating healthy food. 2. Conversation based on role play. Divide the class into 4 groups. Group Red to make paper bags. Group Blue to collect leaves for eyes, nose, ears. Group Yellow to roll a string. Play-Doh for whiskers. Group Green to roll a rope, twigs to make tails. All groups will join to complete the paper bags. The children can decorate them with animal faces or figures. Afterwards, these can be used as hand puppets. You can encourage the children as they go about doing this activity. Add any other material that you may want. Material required: any old paper bags, newspapers, glue, thread, rope, colored pencils and markers. Page 41. Imagine you are eating a fruit and it falls down. Ask the children what they would do. Act out a situation when 1. You are hungry. 2. You are full. 3. You overeat.
Develop writing skills or fine motor coordination. Write the words hat, bed, pin, hot, cut and numbers 11 to 20 on the blackboard. Let the child write numbers and read from the board. Use activity sheets to further encourage the patterns as on pages 31, 33 and 37 and numbers 11 to 20. Here, coordinate with the maths teacher. However, do not force the child. 2. Sorting things into groups is an essential part of learning. By differentiating between objects, children start to think about similarities and differences and how things can be categorized. Show children how to sort leaves and twigs by placing them in 2 different piles. 3. Give children colored beads and ask them to string them in a sequence. For example, 1 blue bead, 2 red beads, and so on. Or on a string, thread 2 or 3 beads and ask the children the number of beads.
Raising awareness. Tell the children to wash their hands before and after meals.